Hello everyone, this is Krishna Adya and welcome back to my channel. So here in this session, we are going to see about how to implement the jQuery by downloading it. Now first what we will do. So first question arises is from where to download the jQuery and how to implement it once it is downloaded. So let's solve these questions and let's see how to do this. So for downloading it, first we will open our browser. I am using the Chrome over here, and then we will go to jQuery.com. The jQuery.com is the official site for the jQuery from where you can download the latest version of the jQuery. So here is the site, and here you can see a download jQuery and it's the version 3.5.1. Here you can always see the latest version of the jQuery. So let's click on that. Now here you can see many links available over here. So there are 3 links. First, that is the compressed, uncompressed and download the map file for jQuery. So a compressed file, an uncompressed file and the map file. Here we will download the uncompressed file. So when we click on it, it will not get downloaded. It will be opened over here. So to download it, either right click on the opened file and click on Save As, or right click on the link and click on Save Link As. Now you can save this file anywhere in your system. It's your choice where to place this. I am placing this file into the PHP folder where I am saving my all the files so that I can give the very short and simple path in my code. So I am clicking on the save. It's on in the XAMPP, htdocs and PHP folder. So it's a very small file. It's of 281 KB. It will be downloaded very fastly. Now what we need to do is, now we will open our text editor, that is Sublime, and here what we will do, here we will implement the jQuery by giving the path of the file that we have downloaded, and we will prepare a code over here that will change the background of a text when it will be hovered. So let's start it. First I am saving my file as js_hover.html. Now first what I will do is, I will create a p tag over here. That is saying that hover on me. Now what we will do, I will give the path of our jQuery file, and in that I am using the attribute over here, that is src, the same attribute that we have used when we are implementing the jQuery using a CDN. Now what we will do, we will give the path of it, as my JS file that is of jQuery is in my same folder, so just I need to write the name of this file, that is jQuery -3.5.1, that indicates its version, and .js that indicates the extension, that is JavaScript. Now what we will do, we will take another script tag over here, and here we will place the event hover. Now first $, then in the brackets it will be document.ready, so that our code will be implemented when the whole document will be ready. We will create a function that will be called and when the p tag will be over, at that time what we need to do is we need to change the CSS, that is the background color. Dot CSS, and in that we have to give what we need to change, that is background. And in the another argument we need to give what type of background color we need, let's say red. Now we will create another function over here. Now here you can see that there are two functions created in the event hover. What is the need of that and how it will be worked, that we will see when the output is there. So once you see the output, at that time you will automatically get that why these two functions are used instead of one. So I have saved my file, and here is my folder. And here is our file. So you can see that the background color of the p tag is normal, that is white. So when I will hover on it, the background becomes red, and when I will take from it, it will become green. Again red, green, red, green, red, green. So now what have happened over here is, so the first function works when the cursor is there on the perfect element, and the second function works when the cursor is out from the element, means hover in and hover out. The first function is for hover in, this is for hover in, and this function is for hover out. As these both functions work for the hover event, so it has come with the same bracket of this. So this bracket has started over here, that is the circle bracket, or we can say a circular bracket of hover, and it has been end over here. So by this way you can download the jQuery file and implement it into the code, and by this way you can perform the hover event. And we have also seen in our last lecture how to implement the jQuery using CDN, and in that we have done that when the button will be clicked, at that time the text will be hide. So by this way you can perform the jQuery events by implementing the jQuery that when you have downloaded it, or by using the CDN. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, then please subscribe my channel.